As the number of coronavirus cases recorded worldwide has passed 19 million, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi said that the tally has crossed 20 lakh, but Modi government is missing. He also reminded people of his earlier prediction that the cases may cross 20 lakh by August 10. India's coronavirus tally breached the 20 lakh mark on Thursday, while recoveries surged to 13.7 lakh, according to the data provided by the states and the union territories. India is the only third country after the United States and Brazil to have hit this grim milestone. India recorded its highest single-day spike of more than 62,000 cases, taking the overall coronavirus cases tally to over 20 lakh. The total confirmed cases have risen to 20 lakh 27,000, including 6 lakh 7,000 active cases, 13 lakh 78,000 cured, discharged or migrated, and 41,585 deaths. India recorded 1 million cases in the last 21 days. The Enforcement Directorate has rejected Rhea Chakraborty's plea to postpone the recording of her statement in connection with a money laundering case related to actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Rhea Chakraborty, via her lawyer Satish Maneshinde, appealed for the postponement of the ED summon until the Supreme Court hearing. She had filed the petition in the Apex Court seeking the transfer of an FIR filed by Sushant's father against her from Patna to Mumbai. Many caveats were filed in the court against the petition, and now the court will have a second hearing next week. Meanwhile, the BMC has allowed Bihar IPS officer Vinay Tiwari, who came to Mumbai to supervise the Sushant Singh Rajput death case probe, to be released from quarantine. The BMC allowed Tiwari to leave the quarantine center on a condition that he would leave the city before the 7th day of his arrival, that is August 8th, stating that a quarantine is not mandatory for a short stay. Bhojpuri actress Anupama Pathak has allegedly died by suicide at her residence in Dahisar. The 40-year-old actress reportedly died by suicide on August 2. A day before her death, Anupama went live on Facebook, where she spoke about feeling cheated and not being able to trust anyone. She said in the live that if you confide to someone that you are going through some problems and feel suicidal, that person, no matter how good a friend he or she is, will immediately ask you to keep them away from your problems so that they don't get into trouble after you died. Bhojpuri film and television actress Anupama hailed from Bihar's Purnia district and resided in Mumbai for work purposes. A complaint has been registered with the police and investigation has started. Heavy rain and flooding has caused a landslide in Kerala's Idukki district. Officials say that the landslide has happened in the Rajamala area of the district, which can be hard to reach. Forest officials and other emergency services personnel have reached the spot. Between 70 to 80 people lived in the area, officials said, adding that they did not know at this point how many were trapped. On Thursday, heavy rains caused a temporary bridge in Idukki district to collapse, the state authorities have confirmed. US President Donald Trump has issued executive orders on Thursday banning any US transactions with ByteDance, the Chinese company that owns popular video sharing app TikTok, and Tencent, owner of the WeChat app, starting in 45 days. The order came as the Trump administration said this week it was stepping up efforts to purge untrusted Chinese apps from US digital networks and called the Chinese-owned short video app TikTok and messenger app WeChat significant threats. The TikTok app may be used for disinformation campaigns that benefit the Chinese Communist Party, and the United States must take aggressive action against the owner of TikTok to protect our national security, Trump said in one of the orders.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.